if you're wondering about the prospects for Tesla stock and if it would be worthwhile to invest in it now, go no further. In this video, we'll examine the reasons why the stock price has fluctuated despite the company's record-breaking sales and why this offers investors a once-in-a-lifetime chance. We talked about a few developments that point to Tesla dominating the market in the next 5 to 10 years, such as the rollout of the completely autonomous Cybertruck and the growth of the Gigafactory. Come along as we explore Tesla's future and the reasons behind our belief that could surpass Apple as the world's most valuable company. Before we get started, please make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so that you can stay updated on our uploads. Over the past few weeks, people have been accumulating as much Tesla stock as they can. And I must say, I'm excited about it at around $180 per share. It makes sense to go all in. But why is the stock price dropping when sales are skyrocketing? That's the question we'll address in this video. The Twitter scandal has hurt the price of Tesla's stock, but I see it as a gift in disguise because it has opened up new opportunities. Despite all the difficulties the company has faced, such as supply chain problems and Shanghai shutdowns, I'm confident Tesla will succeed. So let's find out why. Tesla is expected to see over 100 earnings this year. Though the Twitter scandal has caused the stock price to drop, I see it as a net positive because it opens up new opportunities. I firmly believe that Tesla's future is brighter than ever. Have you ever encountered something that just doesn't make sense? That's exactly what's happening with Tesla stock right now. It's down 50 to 60 from its peak point, which is absurd. Don't worry though. We have a bear market to help us make sense of these things. I predict that before the end of this decade, Tesla will surpass Apple as the most valuable company in the world. Let me tell you, despite all the difficulties the company has faced, such as supply shortages and shutdowns in Shanghai, I'm extremely excited and confident that Tesla will rule the market in the next 5 to 10 years. Hold on tight, because I'm going to take you on a journey to 2024 when Tesla's net profitability is predicted to increase by over 100. People are also wondering when you think the stock price will finally bottom out. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever attempted to predict the unpredictable? Tesla expects to see earnings of more than 100 this year. Although it's similar to attempting to estimate the contents of a bottle, without a label, you can obtain a distinct advantage in the stock market game with the right tools and information, such as historical charts. So even if the experts are certain of a particular price, I'd say it's worth exploring all possibilities, including the unexpected lows that may present hidden opportunities. Understanding how to interpret historical and graph charts is an effective tool that can assist you learn how to read graphs and historical charts, can play a crucial role in developing a successful investment strategy, and ultimately lead to greater financial freedom. By analyzing past market trends and patterns, you can make informed decisions about your investments and potentially avoid costly mistakes. You can also spot opportunities for buying and selling stocks and make informed decisions about portfolio diversification. Finally, by understanding historical trends, you can identify potential risks and opportunities in various sectors of the economy and adjust your investment strategies accordingly. Fast forward 5 to 10 years to see what awaits Tesla. By then, its value will have surpassed that of Apple, and with an average selling price of $45,000, I predict that their profits will have doubled from 2022, with 2.2 million cars sold in 2023. They could potentially make a net profit of $25 billion. When we consider EV credits, which are probably the reason behind many of the estimates that will sell over 50,000 vehicles, we can see that a net income of $25 billion is achievable with an operating margin of 25%. Even if the economic downturn lasts until 2023, profits will still reach $25 billion when adding 45%. It's incredible to think that Cybertrucks will be driving across the country by late 2020s or early 2030s. With over 1 million pre-orders, the scale of this is truly immense. By getting up close and personal with the Cybertruck, people will gain a deep understanding of its practicality, ease of use, and overall fun factor. This personal experience will likely result in a surge of orders similar to What happened with the sexy models with the price ranges from $40,000 to $74,000? Customers may also be interested in customizing their purchases, potentially leading to an even higher sales price after we approach the next S curve in 2024. We can expect to see even more advancements in speed, though. There may still be setbacks until at least late 2023 when technology has had time to learn from its mistakes. Soon, you'll be able to do more than just listen to your music or watch videos during your commute. Fully autonomous driving is on the horizon, which means you can sit back and relax while your car does the driving. And while there may be some setbacks along the way, I predict that by the middle or end of 2023, high technology will have advanced enough to make FSD a reality. As a Tesla shareholder, this is exciting news because it means the company is poised to make a lot of money. I believe this is the next big breakthrough for Tesla. And if it happens in the next year or two, could be a major victory for investors. I can't stress this enough. But if regulators approve, the future of transportation looks more exciting than ever. Back with Tesla's commitment to satisfying customer needs and their plans to construct a new gigafactory in Mexico, we could see a massive surge in technological advancements that will completely change the way we travel. And by 2030, we could see up to 20 million electric cars on the road. New Leon, according to Governor Samuel Garcia, Tesla may start producing its first cars in Mexico early next year after securing the necessary licenses to build a new gigafactory close to the US-Mexico border. According to Governor Garcia, if all goes as planned, Tesla may begin building in March and have its first vehicles available by 2024. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently revealed intentions to invest $5 billion in the factory, which would be the largest electric vehicle production facility in the world, and will concentrate on creating a next generation vehicle. Tesla hasn't disclosed the precise production timeframe. Tesla has declared a buyback plan for 2023, regardless of the state of the economy. The fact that we are willing to participate in the company's future by purchasing Tesla stock shows that we have faith in the company's ability to succeed in the long run, even in the face of setbacks. And it appears more feasible for the company to produce 20 million vehicles by the end of the decade or soon after. What purpose does a buyback serve, and why would a business take this action? There are several explanations. First, buybacks can lower the quantity of outstanding shares on the market, increasing the value of the shares that remain. This can enhance financial indicators such as return on equity, ROE, and profits per share. For second-tier companies, lastly, buybacks can also signal to the market that a company is confident in its future growth prospects and believes its stock is undervalued, which can help keep the stock price from falling too low. Tesla recently announced the buyback in the range of $5 billion to $10 billion to $1 billion, demonstrating the company's willingness to invest in itself and its belief that its stock is undervalued. This move also signals to the market that Tesla believes its stock is undervalued and is seeking to return capital to its shareholders. Overall, because Wall Street profits are being observed, buybacks can benefit the company and its shareholders in a number of ways. With our advice and insights, we're sure you can become a savvy investor and achieve financial freedom. We hope you enjoyed our examination of Tesla's potential, future, and the reasons it's worth considering as an investment opportunity. As always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Watch the space for more exciting updates, and until then, happiest investing.